Hello folks, and welcome to Action Angling. It's an exciting day today because I'm actually going fishing. That's right, actually fishing. It's just a little spot that isn't a park or a trail, different county from my own. I was in the middle of essential travel. I'm not just driving here for no reason or just to fish. There's other reasons that I'm here. But I'm going to stop while I'm here and fish a couple of spots. Yeah. Hopefully get into some carp, suckers, whatever wants to bite out here in the middle of nowhere. And stick around because whether I catch fish or not, there's going to be a video today. Got a little package waiting on my table. Going to do a little small business showcase. It's not from my sponsors. It's from just a Canadian company that I support. And yeah, going to show off the goods of what I got from them. So stay tuned. We're actually fishing today on Team Action Angling. Here I am at the spot. Got my mask on, so hopefully I'm not too muffled here, but yeah, you know, COVID reasons, even though there's nobody around, still better safe than sorry. Wear a mask if you happen to be out. Here's the creek out here behind me. I'm not seeing anything really going on. It's kind of clear compared to usual, but who knows? Who knows? I'm going to try shrimp first. Toss her in and see what happens. Half a piece of shrimp, number 8 hook. Got a couple of BB shots on there. Let's see. I do see some bubbles coming up. Be nice if there was something. I will even take chubs. It's been like a month since I caught a fish, so very excited to be here at all. Yeah, I'm gonna let that sit there for a few minutes, see if anything happens. Ooh, it's getting moldy. Let's put the odds in our favor. Throw a handful of corn in. You know, it's like a cloudy day out here. And I've just been inside the house for so long that it seems really, really bright. It's like actually hard to see the end of my rod right now. Craziness. Got the old cabin fever setting in. I had to go and try fishing where I was allowed. Obviously not hurting anyone out here in the middle of nowhere. Just some little dirt road. Unfortunately, not a bite so far. I almost forget what I would even do if I get a bite. Like, it has been so freaking long since I fished. Definitely been so long since I caught a fish. I have been out a couple of times. Not filming or anything, but yeah. I don't know. I've seen some bubbles kind of close to me that might have been fish. So I'm going to stick this out a little bit longer before I move on. There's only really one more spot that I know of that I wouldn't be traveling ridiculous distances out of my way to go fish. The other spot's 2 minutes down the road, so yeah. Give this the old college try before I move on. The other spot is probably good, but hard to say. Well, this spot is not making the cut. Time to move on. Give her a couple hours on the next one, and then hopefully catch a fish. Otherwise, this will be one boring video. Here we are at the second spot. Actually, one just moved right in front of me here. This tree is new. Oh, there's another one. Lots of fish here. Anyways, it's that pond where me and my friend Kyle went in a previous video recently. Recently video-wise, not recently as in fishing trips, but yeah. Right next to the road. Right now, as you know, it begins to warm up, this should be a little bit better spot. Hopefully. I'm going to throw some chum in and hope for the best. Okay, definitely fish everywhere here. Big one. By this pond standards, a big one just moved to my left. When I walked up, you know, 4 or 5 moved around. I just hope that my moldy bait doesn't scare them off, but I'm going with shrimp on my main line. There's one surfacing over there. Yeah, lots of fish here. Better chance, that's for sure. I saw one move right into my jump here. Two of them there. Okay, well, it's a bite anyway. Making some progress. Okay, shrimp did have a bite, but I'm seeing way too much activity to not think I'm not doing anything wrong, so I'm going to switch over to the Maros Mix bread ball and see if that does me any better. There's at least two right in front of me feeding right now. Oh, God. God, that was a pretty good one. I don't know why I can't get the hook in them. Holy cow. There's more than one there. I don't know if they're just hitting it or what. I can feel moving it. Got him. There's one. Oh! Come on. No fear. Yes. Weightless did the trick. Right into the log. Oh, mercy. They got more fight in them now. Now the water's warmed up. Now landing them is going to be tricky because this is all freaking logs here. This whole place is just like flooded forest. He's around that tree. Okay, come this way. Another tree there. Like, holy. Oh no. Oh no. The 4-pound test won't be very forgiving around these logs. He's come right around it now. Go back the other way. There we go. Got him out. They're just small, but man, do they ever fight? Yes. Okay. First fish in a freaking month. Well, there we go. Finally caught me a fish today. Not one of the bigger ones in here, but I will take literally anything. Alrighty here, folks. There he is. Little tiny carp. Super fun though, super fun. Great to finally catch a fish in spring 2020. It's the end of April. Trout opens tomorrow, but today this is what I'm doing. Let's get you back in the water. Off he goes. Sweet. Okay, it's actually time to call it now. Well, spooked 20 carp when I reeled in there, but I gotta go. Unfortunately, I gotta go. So, pack this stuff up. Honestly, I hate wearing a mask, but it makes everyone feel safe, so I'm gonna do it. Keep the peace, right? So stay tuned, because I'm about to head home and show you what I got in the mail the other day. Well, folks, here we are back at the ranch. A little small business showcase. What we got here is my package. Ordered quite some time ago, but guy's been busy. Open this up, see what we got here. So, this isn't a sponsor of mine. I have no affiliation with them besides it's a local guy. Local is in Ontario, Muskoka. Bad Habit Baits. Nathan Thompson is the owner. I asked him on a forum about getting some jerk baits. Real Canadian Anglers is the forum, and everybody recommended this guy. So what he does is he has these jerk bait blanks, and he custom paints them for you. So I asked for perch and I asked for smelt. My definition of smelt wasn't very particular. I said basically I want it to look like a minnow. So I'll show you a couple of these custom paint jobs here. He did by hand. Perch ones are freaking amazing. I'll do a little zoom in too. But yeah, just perfect representation of a perch. And the smelt guys also ended up looking amazing. Pretty small jerk baits, but exactly what I asked for. It's exactly what I asked for. Rattling, decent size, decent weight, and really fair price as well. So yeah, if you guys want to check those out, shoot your business over to the small businesses right now because they need it the most. So this guy is he's working alone and custom paints and makes all these different baits and lures. So yeah, check them out. Bad Habit Baits, I'll leave a link down in the description for you to check those out. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit all of your friends that don't do the same. We'll see you next time. Chop chop!